Well, it's close to the end of March, and here in western Pennsylvania, winter just doesn't seem to want to go away, but we're getting ready. Planning on getting old Merriweather out of storage and starting our third camping season right after Easter. In the meantime, I'm going to practice a little bit of our Dutch oven cooking on the back deck of our sticks and bricks. So stick around and we'll show you what we're up to. I'm going to make country style pork ribs in the 12-inch Dutch oven. Got 8 pork ribs in there, onions on the bottom, onions on top of sweet potatoes. Got 2 sweet potatoes cut up there and 1 Vidalia onion, and 8 ribs with some barbecue sauce mixed with a little bit of Diet Dr. Pepper, because you know we're on a diet, we like to watch our weight. So as soon as the charcoal's ready, we'll put this on and go to town. And we're going to cook this for about 50 to 60 minutes at 400 degrees. And that means with a 12-inch Dutch oven, you put 9 down and 20 on top. It's a little cold today and there's a little bit of a breeze, so I'm going to put 10 or 11 down there. I think I've got 10 and a half down there. We'll start with 10, and we're going to put the 22 on top. So I'll grab the Dutch oven down here. Oh, one-man show today. Set that down on top. There we go. Get my gloves on here just a second. If you're counting, I went with 23. One extra one fell out of the chimney, so it's not an exact science. We'll go with 12 down and 23 on top, 50 minutes, and we'll check it in 30 minutes. We'll probably have to rotate coals anyway, so see you back. Got a fresh set of coals on. These are bubbling away after 30 minutes. I think I might just leave the coals be for a while. Looking good. Okay, we're gonna, oh, that's nice and soft. Yeah, nice, everything's bubbling up. Oh, there we go. Look at that, man. Oh yeah, that's looking good. Looking good. People talking over there. We got the neighbors playing basketball. Did this in 1 hour with 1 set of coals. So we'll get this plated up. There we have it. Country style boneless pork ribs in barbecue sauce with onions and sweet taters. Oh boy, can't wait. That's it for this time. I hope you enjoyed this video and will take time to view some of our other ones.